In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Wealthsimple to ColdWallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your ColdWallet and receive any crypto assets from Wealthsimple. So in order to do this transfer, you simply need the receiving address from your ColdWallet, and you will be inputting that into Wealthsimple. So I recommend starting this by opening up Wealthsimple and then choosing the crypto account option. So select crypto from the app, and now you will see the transfer options. When you choose transfer, you can either receive or send that specific crypto asset. So choose an asset, in this example here Ethereum, and you will be able to choose send or transfer. Now, whenever you choose the send option, it is going to ask you to choose between a wallet address or a QR code. For this video, I highly recommend that you use a wallet address. A QR code can actually work as well, so if you know how to scan the QR code that you will be receiving, you can choose that instead. But a wallet address is the classic method. So you make sure that the network is good to go. Usually default is enough. And then this is going to be the ColdWallet wallet address. In order to acquire this, you will have to access your ColdWallet. So in this example here, I have a ledger. You connect it to a PC or a laptop, and after that is done, you open up the software. There are plenty of other ColdWallets out there, such as Trezor, and it's up to you to decide which one is best. Then you access the accounts and you choose the plus option or the add one to make a new account for that specific asset. If you already have it, then skip this step. So choose the corresponding account that you want to add, and you will be given the wallet address for that specific asset. With this done, copy this wallet address, and immediately upon getting this, you will be able to paste it here. Once pasted, you can initiate a transfer and receive your crypto assets. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Wealthsimple to ColdWallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.